The stage is yours. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Here they go. Oh my gosh, Jody, can you believe it?
Something's been on my mind, something I can't explain. Oh, a feeling so deep inside. Is this love or is it pain? Oh, sometimes I waste my days waiting around for someone, waiting for someone to say, oh, I'll always be there, always there for you. Well, I know that it's true, 'cause baby, I'll always be there. Oh, always there for you. And I'll never let you go, darling, no. I'll never let you go. No.
Now, can I just ask? That seemed extremely personal to you. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, we wrote that during a tough period of my life where I was going through some troubles and loneliness, and it's about finding special someone to always be there for you.
I really felt that. Howie, what did you think?
I thought that was absolutely beautiful and haunting. It just, it's like you're crying and you're singing, and it just was so deep.
In tune and perfect pitch.
And perfect pitch.
Thank you, Howie. Appreciate it.
Sofia?
That was like the most perfect audition I've seen this season. I think America's gonna go crazy with you.
Thank you, Sophia. Thank you.
Simon?
How come we haven't heard of you?
Yes.
I'm not sure, but you have now, so. We've been trying, for sure. No doubt.
Knocking on those doors and no one answers them, right?
Yes, sir.
I know. Your voice is sensational. And
Thank
also,
you so much.
The way the two of you are together, and you wrote the song as well.
Yeah, it's an
That's
original.
our song, yep.
Amazing.
Wow.
Okay, that was really good. Well done.
Thank you, Simon.
I'm going to start this off with your first yes.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And that's your second yes.
Thank you,
Sofia?
I'm gonna give you a third
Thank you.
yes.
thank you.
Simon?
That makes it 4.
Thank you guys so much.
That was unexpected.
How are you feeling right now?
Great.
You are one cool cat.
Thanks, man.
Bro, you took me into a whole nother era.
When he got on his knees.
Yeah, it's like,
And he had his hands stuck behind his back.